So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Cure. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Reminders app on your iPhone. So this is the default app on all the iPhones. You can use the Reminders app to create a task list or basically a to-do list. So let's see how you can use this app. So for this, open the Reminders app on your iPhone. Now this is the interface of the app. Now you can create reminders here. For this, tap on New Reminder and let's create a reminder called Gym. To customize it, tap on this I button and now you can set different details here like notes, URL, date and time to be reminded, location, etc. Once done, tap on the Done button and this will set the reminder. In a similar way, you can create more reminders. Once the task is completed, to mark the reminder completed, simply tap on the reminder like this. And this will mark it completed. Now to see the completed reminder, tap on this list option. Now tap on completed. Now as you can see here, the completed reminder is here. To delete the reminder, swipe left on it and then tap on delete. And this will delete the reminder. So this is how you can use Reminders app on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.